Hello! In this video, we will explain the advantages of creating an account on the LabsMobile platform and all the benefits of the WebSMS app. Get ready to get the most out of your SMS campaigns. To begin with, one of the advantages of our platform is that you can test the platform without restriction with all the functionalities before making the first payment. How is it possible? You can register with a corporate email and the system will add some credits so that you can test all the functionalities and send messages to the countries you want. This way, you will have a complete overview of the many advantages offered by the LabsMobile platform with its SMS management and sending application, which is called WebSMS. The main function is to send SMS messages or campaigns. Within this function, there are different sending methods or forms. You can choose the one that best suits your needs. You can send a message manually in the basic sending section by copying a list of numbers in any format or by entering them one by one. It is also possible to send messages to a group or several groups of previously imported contacts and add additional and personalized information variables. Finally, you can exchange messages from an Excel file or template. It is very easy as you only have to download the template and copy the information of each message in one of the lines of the file. In other video tutorials, you will be able to discover all the options and particularities of each sending method. In addition, the WebSMS application has several useful sections to optimize your SMS communication. One of the most important is contact management. Contact management can be done on an individual basis by adding, deleting, searching, or modifying contacts. It can also be grouped into contact groups that can be imported, deleted in bulk, or updated and debugged automatically. As for the import, it is possible to do it manually by copying data into a form, or as in this case, import contacts from Excel file or template, which can be downloaded from the same form. All to get a more accurate database, make your sending more efficient, and adjust your SMS budget. In addition, in order to get the most of your text messages, you can create and publish a landing page in the same WebSMS application, which you can send via a link in an SMS campaign. In relation to SMS landing, you can choose one of the many templates created with a responsive design. All landings can be customized in design, content, and structure in a simple and intuitive landing page editor. You will be able to create attractive and mobile-friendly landings in just a few minutes. If, on the other hand, you want to add links in your message, in our platform you will find a manager to personalize, shorten, and optimize a link. This will allow you to exponentially increase the possibilities of communication through SMS messages. This way, the links will take up minimum space. You will be able to personalize them with corporate domains to give greater reliability to the recipients, send attachments, and count and generate statistics of each click. All this is on the same platform and at no additional cost. Another aspect to highlight is that LabsMobile works with a credit system. In this way, with the same recharge or purchase, messages of any type, concatenated, Unicode, certified, etc. can be sent to any country. You can manage your purchases on your profile. Recharges of any amount can be made at any time. They last for 18 months, and there is a wide variety of payment methods available. In other words, with 3 simple steps, you can have all the platform's tools at your disposal. Remember, you only pay for messages sent. As an exceptional detail and contribution with the purchase of credits, LabsMobile collaborates with Tree Nation by planting trees for reforestation and climate change mitigation. We are a CO2 neutral company, and for every SMS sent, we mitigate the effect of climate change by planting trees near our customers. On your dashboard and on every invoice, you will see the CO2 offset with every purchase or sending. At LabsMobile, we know that the results and metrics of a mailing or campaign are a key element. Thus, we have two tools to obtain data from any message or campaign. Firstly, the Search SMS, where you can see the characteristics, status, and data of each message sent. And secondly, statistics, where you can see the main metrics such as graphics, reports, click counts, and also compare different campaigns. And finally, one of LabsMobile's strongest points and where we dedicate more resources is customer support. You can consult the updated support channels in the contact section of our website. It is possible to contact us immediately by online chat, and you will be attended in a personalized way by our technicians. Available on our website and WebSMS application. It is also possible to contact and receive support and help via ticketing by sending an email to support@labsmobile.com from WebSMS or the Support Center. The sales and support team are always available to manage incidents and respond to any request. Moreover, you can access online resources such as video tutorials, FAQs, knowledge base, blog, etc. As you can see, LabsMobile is not only committed to offer the best service with professionals with a long experience in the SMS sector, but also presents a complete platform to satisfy any requirement in your SMS communication. If you don't have an account yet, what are you waiting for? This has been a small sample of the main functionalities and advantages of our platform, but we invite you to get to know it in depth and in detail in other video tutorials. Thanks for your time. Best regards.